guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Khomotso Makhura, and today we are doing my brother does my voiceover over this makeup look. So I am really excited. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. It's good to have new people. If you've been part of the family, welcome back. So today we are doing that the video where my brother will be doing my voiceover while I do my makeup. So yeah, I know along the way I was jamming to whatever song that I was playing in the background, because I mean I wasn't gonna say anything. So yeah, and if you guys want to see how I put on my eyelashes, guys, it's a struggle. It's a struggle, but it is what it is, and we are looking all pretty and all snatched. And yours.
Hi guys, Mutaka here, and I will be doing my sister's voiceover. So we will begin with this MAC primer, yes, pre-prime. So we will dab some on our face and dab it around, rub it around and rub it around and rub it around. Yes, after rubbing it around, we will take a brush stick and brush our eyebrows. Then we will be using a pencil, a small pencil, and we will be drawing our eyebrows and making them look a bit darker. Yes, a bit darker. And we will be using it we will use the same pencil for our other eyebrow. And after using it, we'll use a pro thing and a brush, and we will draw a very nice little line under our very nice little drawn eyebrow that looks dark, and we will blend it in with the rest of our skin and remove some of that, and we'll use a fit me thing, brown thing, and we'll use a little bit of that fit me thing and blend it over into our forehead to make it look like our natural skin. So after doing that, we will continue blending it and making it look a bit like Catwoman, if I may per se. But then we will continue, and then now we will be using this red thing to blend in our makeup with our skin. Yes, blend and blend. So we will be using this revolution with loads of different colors and that brown thing, I think. Yes, so we will blend it in and blend it in with the rest of the other things we've blended in. Woof. And now we blend it, dab it, and then I think I'm singing right now. Yes, I am singing. So now we change colors, and we take this orange-ish color and then make us look a bit more beautiful. Yes, so now I'm singing as loud as I can, and I'm sure the neighbors can even hear me. And we will continue with this pro thing. Yes, and we will be dabbing some next to our eye. I hope that doesn't get into my eye. Yes, look at my face, so funny. And and then we do the same for the other side, and then yes, and thereafter we will continue. Yes, we will take another color, this dark pinkish color, and dab it onto that other thing that I said it shouldn't go into our eyes, and then we will do the same for our other eye. So yeah, yes, keep on doing that and dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it, dab it, dab, 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 dab. Yes. Now we'll be using that brush again, and we'll be blending it more into our face. Smile a bit, yes. And after blending it in, we will be putting on some fake eyelashes with this eyelashy thingy mabob. Yes, so we will grab one eyelash and put some glue on it. Put some glue, 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 put some glue. And then we will put more glue, and then we will take the eyelash thingamabob and hold it properly. Then dry it a bit so that it can stick more onto our normal and natural eye lid thingy mabob. Yes, we would stick it in, put it properly. It doesn't want to sit this thing, so we will put it on properly and let it dry a bit. We'll put it, proportion it properly and proportion and fix it a bit. I hope I don't stab myself in the eye. Yes, it doesn't look as straight as it could be, but we will be fixing that problem. Now it looks better, and we obviously skip to where the other eyelid is. So now we will continue dabbing some brown thingy keys with this spongy thing to blend it in, and then we will carry on dabbing it, dab it, and then thereafter it will be a matter of finding the perfect color for our chins to make them look beautiful. And yes, so these three of these things, and we'll be drawing on our face with this lighter colored one, and then we will be using a darker one later for our forehead, I think. Is that so? Yes, I think, because I haven't done this. Yes, there it is. And blend onto our nose. 1 2 1 2. Now I look like a lion. And then dab it with that spongy thing. Yes, dab it, blend it. While we blend it, can you guess what song I was singing or I was listening to? And then now, yes, the person who gets the answer right will get pinned at the top of the comments. Yes. So now we'll be using this brush. Then we will take the darker thing, yes, and rub it around so that it can blend more into our skin with the other blended things we've blended into other blended things. Now we'll be using the same pinky thingy, my bob, to make it more darker, and yes, and we'll be doing the same on the other side. Anything we do to the left, we do to the right, just like maths and maths, you know. Yes, so we carry on and wipe down our hands because they might have been blended with those other blendy stuff we've been blending in. So here's the open properly, man. So now we'll have to be dusting our faces with the thing to make it more shiny and look more not natural or unnatural, I may say. Yes, so we'll be using a smaller one to make sure that the pinky thing is properly. Yes, 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 yes. This is what I'm saying right now. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know why, but I am saying it. Yes, yes, yes. So we will continue dabbing this thing stick onto our faces to make it blend more. Oh god, we should have just stayed natural and stuff. And now we'll be using a spray to make sure that the makeup does not go away or get removed by something, a tornado, something. Yes, now we'll be drying it and drying it so that it dries, and then keep on drying, keep on drying, keep on drying. Like I said, if you guess the song, you will be pinned at the top of the comments. So comment down below what you'd wanna see next at my channel. And yeah, now this red lipsticky thingy, and then we look beautiful now. So yeah guys, this was my little brother doing my voiceover, and I am the little brother doing the voiceover.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Do like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Much love from me to you.
Like I said, goodbye.